Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the clip closely so you know what failed: spring, hinge, or fabric anchor. Once done, remove the clip from the suspender if possible so you can work cleanly. Use needle nose pliers to open soft metal crimps and a small screwdriver to free stuck springs. This gives clear access for repair. Make sure to keep tiny parts in a tray. You should now see whether you need a mechanical fix, a stitch repair, or an adhesive patch. You realign bent jaws by applying firm, steady pressure with pliers and checking that the clip closes squarely. This restores grip. Next, if the spring is out, reseat or replace it. Compress the spring carefully and test the bite on fabric to ensure proper tension. Then, if the hinge or joint is loose, recrimp it evenly. Place the clip on a hard block and tap with a small hammer so the metal seats without cracking. Make sure to test repeatedly and adjust. You finish by reinforcing attachment points. Sew fabric anchors with a backstitch or add a small leather or fabric patch to spread load. If plastic parts are cracked, apply a tiny drop of clear adhesive and clamp until fully cured, then retest. Once complete, wear the suspenders and check them under typical movement. If the clip slips or separates, stop and reevaluate the spring or anchoring stitch. Key troubleshooting tip: if slipping persists, replace the clip entirely rather than repeatedly repairing a weakened part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.